Hey, hello everybody out there. Today I'm gonna change the rear door actuator, and I already done the front. The front is not the same. If you look, this is the actuator for the front door, and this is the actuator for the rear door. So let's get started. I'm gonna remove the panel first. Removing the panel, you take off these two screws here. Get a screwdriver inside and just pry it slow. Make sure you don't break it. Then you grab it with your hand and pull. And there you go, the panel's off. Now you gotta unplug the speaker, unplug the window, electrical plug, and the little light. This is a hard plug to get, so I'm gonna pause it right here and I'll be back. Panel's off. Now we gotta remove the handle. You see the rivet right there? You use a 3/16 drill bit and just drill it. Once you do that, you unplug the just like that, and this is the lock part right here. No, that's removed. Now you have these Torx right here. You take out the 3 Torx, and you're gonna remove the door handle too, the outer door handle, and I'll be back. So let's remove the T-Torx. And now take off the door handle. There's one bolt right here on the inside of the door. This is one. And the other one is right through this hole inside. So that I got it right there. I know you can see inside, but I got it. Just let it fall inside because I could retrieve that later. Now, take out the door knob. See that? You see the little pinhole here? Gotta bend it up, push it down. I'm gonna get a screwdriver for that. trying to record while I'm holding the camera. It's making it kind of hard. There, push that back. Now it should slide out. There we go. See that? It slid right out. That's a little pin. Don't lose it. Now, this is all loose. Open up the plastic. And just let it drop. Oh, there's another piece right here. You have to remove them off the little plastic clips. That's the lock, and the next one is to open the door. Pop them out just like that, and then push them up like this. See them right there? And the actuator just drop. Now I go in this hole here. You see this hole? I just look for it and I pull it down. This part right here is hooked onto something. I gotta get it out. There it is. There you go. Let's get inside. Jiggle it around. Oh, another thing I forgot. My problem. Unplug it first. I didn't unplug it. Alright, so I'm gonna pause it here. So I got it out. This is it right here. It was mounted like this, right? All I done was took all the screws and let it drop down like this. And then I grabbed it from here, this hole, and I just pulled it up. No, this part here is the actual actuator part for the lock. These two little torques. You take out those two torques, put the new actuator on, put it back together. Okay, so the torque for this part of the actuator was a T30, and for these little screws is a T10. Screws off. Pop it out right there. So after taking out the screws, you lift this part up. That's part of the actuator. And it should just fall apart. There it is. The door handle latch fell off. I know where that goes. Now to put on the new one. Now it's installed, I'm gonna try to test it. Close the latch and just click the alarm. There you go. Very good, it works. Now to install it. So now to install it, I'm gonna stick it into the hole like this, bring it in here, and then drop it down this way and go over the window. You see the window thing right there? It has to go over that so it could go into the handle. And then this is gonna just fall in place like this. Yeah. It's gonna be like that. This is gonna be up. See, I dropped it in now. I'm gonna have to remove the lid. Fall into place. So now you can see they're both up here. Both right there. Door open and lock. Got the jam right there. You can see the doorknob right here. That's not connected yet. Now I'm gonna put the screws. Put the 3 screws that go right here. Then I'll be back.